The title of Unit 4, Building Bridges going ahead. The title of Unit 4, Building Bridges going ahead. Already we are going to complete our Chapter 3, Percentage. Today I am going to explain word problems on percentage. Left side keep heading. Word problems on percentage. Left side keep heading. Word problems on percentage. Word problems on percentage. Example 1. Example 1. Example 1. Word problems on percentage. Example 1. First word problem. Ria has a box. Ria has a box containing 80 pens. Ria has a box containing 80 pens. Forty percentage of pens. 40% of pens are red. 40% of pens are red. How many are not red? Very interesting question. Ria has a box containing 80 pens. 40% pens are red. How many are not red? It means total number of pens is equal to 80. Total number of pens is equal to 80. Now 40% pens are red. It means I want to find out how many red pens are there. It means number of red pens is equal to 40% of 80. Total pen is 80. In the 80 pen, 40% of pens are red. Now 40% means 40 by 100. Of means into 80. 40 by 100. 40% means 40 by 100 into 80. 10 up cancel, 10 down, 10 this, 10 this cancel. 8 4s are 32. Number of red pens are 32. But this is not our question. He is asking how many are not red. It means pens that are not red is equal to total pen is 80. 80 minus 32. Pens that are not red. is equal to total pen is 80, number of red pen is 32 is equal to 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 3, 4. 48 pens are not red pen. Write down clearly, everyone. I hope this question is very clear. Example 2. Student, write this example clearly. Example 2. In a class of, example 2, in a class of 100 students, in a class of 100 students, 25% 25% live in a hostel, full stop. How many students do not live in hostel? How many students do not live in a hostel? This question also very interesting question. Students, all these questions will come real time examples, real time word problems. Yes. In a class of 100 students, 25% live in a hostel. How many students do not live in a hostel? Now in the class, how many students are there total? There are 100 students. Note down. Total students in the class is equal to 100. Total number of students in the class is equal to 100. Now I want to find out firstly how many students are living in the hostel. It means number of students living in the hostel is equal to 25% of 100. Note down. Number of students living, number of students number of students living in the hostel is equal to 25 percentage of 100. 25% means 25 by 100, of means into 100. 100 cancel. 25 students are living in the hostel. But I want to find out how many students are not living in the hostel. Hence, number of students here you can mention number of students are living because proper verb form. Number of students are not living in the hostel. Total number of student is 100. Out of 100, 25 are not 25 are living in the hostel. It means 75 students are not living in the hostel. Down. Number of students are not living in the hostel. 100 minus 25. 75. 75 students are not living in the hostel. Next example. Example 3. Example 3. In an election, example 3, in an election, two 2,268 people two thousand 268 people voted for Seema, comma 8,820 people voted for Jyoti, and 1,512 people, 1,512 people voted for Rima. What percentage of the votes? What percentage of the votes did each candidate receive? Did each candidate receive? Super question. Very interesting question. In an election, 2,268 people voted for Seema, 8,120 people, 1,512 people. It means firstly, I want to find out total number of people. Total number of people is equal to okay. In an election, 2,268 people voted for Seema. It means total of simple we can write total votes is equal to 2,268 plus 8,820 plus 1,512. 8 plus 2, 12. 8 plus 2, 10, right? Again, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10, right? 1 carry again. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 5 plus 15 plus 1 carry 16. Again, 1 carry. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 12. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12. 12,600. Total votes are 12,600. This is total votes. But I want to find out how many each person are getting the vote. It means firstly I want to find out percentage for Seema. Percentage for Seema. Seema is getting how many votes? 2,260 votes. Out of how much? 12,600 votes into 100 percentage. Like divide concept. Divide 20 rupees into two parts. Seema got 2,268 votes, but total vote is 12,600. 0, 0 cancel. And yes, 12 ones are 12. Next, 8, right? 18% is Seema receives 18%. Seema received 18% vote. Like that, we have to find out percentage for Jyoti and percentage for Rima. Percentage for Jyoti. Jyoti got 8,820 votes out of 12,600 votes into 100 percentage. This 2020 cancel. 120. Yes, 7. 121 ja 127. 127 ja 882 70. Jyoti received 70% votes. Percentage for Rima. Percentage for Rima. Rima got how many votes, student? 1,512 votes out of 12,600 votes into 100 percentage. This 2020 cancel. Yeah, 120, 126, 121, 126, 12, 1,512. Rima got 12%. 18%, 17%, 70%, and 12%. Total addition is coming 100%. And this question is very interesting question, student, and very important question. Every time past 2 years onwards like that question, they are asking in the main exam.